Good morning students. Today in this video I will explain dispersion by a prism and rainbow. So first you see the dispersion by a prism. The splitting of white light into a constituent colors is known as dispersion, and the band of 7 colors can be obtained on the screen is known as spectrum of light. So you see in the figure, this is white light. This white light is incident on the prism. It is split into 7 colors. It is denoted by symbol Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and red. So the reason why the red light is deviated least and the blue light, violet light is deviated most toward the base of prism, reason is that the refractive index is different for different wavelength of light, from Cauchy equation, n equal to A plus B by lambda square, where A and B are constant, and already you know that the minimum deviation delta m equal to A n minus 1. This is first equation and this is equation number 2. From equation first and second, in equation first, the refractive index is inversely proportional to wavelength, and from equation second, the minimum deviation is directly proportional to refractive index. So for the red color, wavelength is maximum, so refractive index is minimum, and from equation 2, the minimum deviation directly proportional to refractive index. So for red color, that is the minimum deviation then other color. So with the help of above these two equations, the speed of red light red color in a medium is faster than other color. Reason is that since an equal to c upon v, c the speed of light in vacuum and v with the speed of light in medium, so v equal to c upon n. With the help of this formula, we can calculate the speed of light. So from the above equation, the refractive index of red color is smaller, so velocity will be maximum. Here velocity inversely proportional to refractive index. Now next topic, you see the rainbow. So how the rainbow is formed? It is a natural phenomenon. The rainbow is formed just after rain, when the white light is incident or the sunlight is incident on the water drops which is present in the atmosphere and the position of sun just behind the head of observer. So you see the first primary rainbow. Primary rainbow is formed due to single reflection and double refraction. Here this is water drops, this is water drops, this is water drops present in the atmosphere, and this is light. This light is incident from the sun. The first is incident on this at the surface of water. Here this is refraction. It travels from rare, this is rare medium and this is denser medium. So this is first refraction, and incident at this point, reflected here. This is the first reflection, and then again refraction, then it incident at the observer. Now the second, this is second water drops. Light is incident on the second water drops. This is the first refraction. This is first refraction, and then incident at this point, and after this point it reflect. So this is the reflection process, and again it refract from this medium to, means water drop to in air, that is refraction process. In the primary rainbow, in the inner edge violet light is formed and outer edge is red light is formed, which made 40 degree and 42 degree with observer. Now you see through the figure, this is water drops, this is water drops, light is incident from the sunlight. This is first, this light is incident on the water drops present in the atmosphere. So first, this is the refraction process. This is refraction process, and then light is reflect from here. This is reflection, and then again refraction, again refraction. This is refraction process. Second, suppose that this is second water drops. This is first water drops present in the atmosphere. This is the second water drops present in the atmosphere. Again the light is incident. Light is incident here. Now it moves from one medium to another medium, that is from air to this denser water drops. So it takes the refraction process. Now this is first refraction, and then it reflect. This is the reflection process, and again this refract here observer. Now this is, it makes an angle. This is 40 degree, this is 40 degree, and this is 42 degree, 42 degree. So in the inner edge this is violet color, and the outer edge this is red color. So primary rainbow is formed due to single reflection and double refraction. In the inner edge violet color is formed and outer edge is red color is formed, and it makes an angle 40 and 42 degree with the observer. Now see the secondary rainbow. This is the figure of secondary rainbow. How the secondary rainbow is formed? Secondary rainbow is formed due to double reflection and double refraction. Here this is two water drops. This is water drops first, and this is two present in the atmosphere just after rain. When the light is incident on this water drops, so first incident here, and then this is the refraction process, and reflect from this point to this point. This is first reflection. Again it takes the reflection from this to this point. This is the second reflection, and then it comes out from this water drops to the air. This is the second refraction. So this is second refraction. Now the second water drops, this light is incident on the second water drops. So this is first it incident at the surface of this water drops, and it goes from this medium to this medium. So it takes the refraction process. Again it incident at this point. From here it follow the reflection, law of reflection. Again incident here, and then again reflect from this point. This is reflection, and finally it comes out from this water drops and take the refraction process and incident here at the observer. So in the secondary rainbow, the inner edge is violet color is formed, red color is formed, and outer edge is violet color is formed, and it makes an angle 50 and 52 degree. So once again you see the figure. This is first water drops and this is second water drops. First light is incident, first here, this is incident light. It take the refraction process. This is first refraction, again reflection. This is first water drops, this is second water drops. First light is incident here, this is. Now take the refraction process, medium change, again it follow the reflection. This is reflection process, reflection, again refraction, and then next reflection, and then it finally comes out from the drops. This is refraction process. Now the second case, when the light is incident on the water drops, so this is first refraction, then reflect from here. This is the first reflection, this is first reflection, again second reflection, and then second refraction. So here observer, and it makes an angle 50 degree, and this is, it makes an angle 52 degree, 52 degree. So in the inner edge, this is red color, this is red color, and this is violet color. So secondary rainbow is formed due to double refraction and double reflection. This is first refraction, this is first reflection, this is second reflection, and this is second refraction. Here also, this is first refraction, this is first refraction, this is first reflection, this is second reflection, and this is second refraction. Hope you understood the topic. Thank you.